Hey Kroc stars, Kate here. Just wanted to show you some of our new fitness equipment, so let's go check it out. This is our new Woodway Curve. It is a 100% self-powered treadmill, meaning there's no electricity to it whatsoever. It does not have a fun little quick start button on it. Your quick start is your feet. So you just get on, you start going, and there is an option to stop the workout or reset, but it has absolutely no electricity. You are the one who makes it go. This is our new Techno Gym hip thrust machine. It targets your glutes, your quads, and your hamstrings. Anything that has a yellow knob on this piece of equipment is movable. It is what you use to unlock the safety feature or lock in the safety feature and to move your pad. Kristen will show us how to use it. Good. Kristen is deadlifting on our new sound and vibration platforms. She's showing the proper way to tap the weights on the platform and not drop the weights on the platform during a deadlift. All right, this one is our hack squat. It is a classic leg exercise piece of equipment. It's going to work your glutes, your quads, your adductors, and Kristen will show us how it's utilized. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoy the new equipment. If you ever have any questions or need to know how to use a piece of equipment, please see one of our fitness and gym attendants for a free equipment orientation.